Good morning, y'all. We have about 1,000,001 things to do, but first, chores. I need to milk Gertrude, check on the baby chicks and feed them, make sure they have plenty of water, and then, I don't know, feed pigs, feed the big chickens, check the gardens. We are heading out tomorrow for the Great Appalachian Homesteading Conference in Tennessee, and we just have to make sure everything is ready to go, everything's secure. This morning, first thing, when we got up, we noticed that the big animals were not where they were supposed to be. And what's happening is Pepper, the naughty horse, is jumping the fence and catching it with her hoof and breaking it. And then, of course, she's out and everybody else follows. So they did come to the barn, so they were not lost. Thank goodness they hadn't run off. They were in the barn. So now we're going to try to, I think today, they're just gonna go mow a few yards this morning. And then I think what he's gonna do is come back here behind the barn where this fence is. It used to be a riding ring. I think he's going to run wire around that because it's taller and make that a little more of a secure fence while we're gone. I mean, we have somebody keeping an eye on the animals and everything, but we do not want them having to chase them and get them and put them back in. Good morning, piggies. Y'all sure like this dirt pile in here. You like to play in it. Anyway, I'm gonna go get Gertrude on the milk stand and start milking. Kylie's coming. She's got my stuff, and we are gonna milk this cow and get our day going. I found this guy.
Yes.
Wandering around aimlessly, trying to figure out what he's supposed to be doing. No, I'm kidding.
I have a list.
I know, he is.
I'm a list maker.
He's a list man. He's
Yeah.
on it. He's got a list and he's gonna knock things out one at a time. Anyway, he's gotta head out and mow, like I said, and then come back and do a lot of things and take the camper and get it inspected and all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna do the chores while he and Jack go do a few things, and yeah.
That's it.
And then I gotta pack and work on a presentation for our presentation, and I don't know, all kinds.
Lots of things to do.
1,000,001 things, like I said, but we'll get it done.
Absolutely.
Finished milking. I'm gonna take the milk in and strain it. Kylie's gonna hang out with Gertrude for a few minutes while she eats her cafe so that she can make sure she gets a nice full breakfast. Her room fills up with yummy cafe. All right, the chicks need feed. Chickens all around. lift this up. And ciao, chickies. Move out of the way. Huh? I can't get it in.
Mom, did that?
Watch out. Did I have it? Alright. I don't want to smush any.
Mom,
There's another feeder.
a baby cow.
They're ravenous. They're starving to death, the poor little creatures. Just kidding. They get fed all the time. They just think they're starving. What, baby? Now, Kylie, we need to fill up the waters. Alright, I'm gonna... I'm going to clean these out and refill them. Put some vinegar in them. We're going to have to use a better waterer, a bigger one, when we leave. Like I said, we have to be checking in on everything, but we want to leave everything as efficiently as possible so they don't have to do a whole lot of work. So let me rinse these out. Let me put this spray nozzle on first, and then you can turn the water on for me. We tried another waterer and 3 of them unfortunately drowned, so we felt really bad about that. That was not cool. So we swapped back to these waterers, and then the other 3 were suffocated because they piled on top of each other. That's what they do. Hopefully we don't have any more losses. If you've ever raised meat birds, you know that these things happen. Oh, he's coming through on his bike. Beep, beep. Alright, well, we're gonna go. I'm not sure. I think we're gonna wait and take care of the pigs once Derek and Jack get back, because they can feed them. Oh, we gotta feed the big chickens. That's what we gotta do. Oh, scratch that. We gotta put Gertrude up. She finished her hay. Her chocolate. Hey, Kylie. As soon as you're done with that, grab Buttercup. Oh, moving out. Moving out, sweet cow. Moving out, sweet cow. Okay, I'll come check on it in a minute. Grab the Buttercup. We're getting you, baby. Whoop. Don't knock the camera over. Alright, let's see. Okay, yes, Kylie's getting your baby.
Mommy, I'm coming too.
It's dark down there, we can't see.
I'm coming too.
You're gonna come through? Careful, turn around. I have a cup of coffee sitting there I haven't even touched. Alright, we're getting that baby. Buttercup's coming, don't worry. Alright, come on, Mama Cow. Come on, go on, Pepper. Come on, Mama Cow, your baby's coming. Come on, Mama Cow. Come on, Dino, this is not our routine. Come on. Go on, Pepper. Come on, Mama Cow. There we go. Alright, go on, Pepper. Get away. Alright, chickens, we're coming. You can hear. They're like, feed us. We usually feed them before we milk, but we been free feeding them at 2 feeders. So they have enough. They just want more. They just are used to a routine, and we're not doing that routine. Alright, ciao. Chickens. Ciao, chickens. Yeah, they have feed in their feeders here, but they just want more. Here, chickens. Oh, 3 eggs. Woo. 3 beautiful eggs. Alright, we need to see if they've laid anywhere else. They've been rogue chickens laying all over the place. And everywhere they were laying, we kind of disturbed the nesting areas, trying to encourage them to go back in there. So we straightened up the chaff hay bags. They were kind of all over the place. So we moved because they were laying behind them. We'll set this here.
Yesterday, a ton of eggs back here and buried them.
Oh, nice. Crazy chickens. All right, well, I think that's a wrap for our chores for right now. I'm sure we'll find more things to do other than that, but we have a lot to do in the house to prepare for this trip. So, deep cleansing breaths. Deep cleansing. No, we'll be fine. We're just going to do some laundry, get ready to pack, and I'm going to work on the presentation. Real quick, the mama bird is away, but there's a bucket in here with hay. I'm not sure what kind of birds they are. There's a bird's nest.
I think they're barnstorm.
Probably. And back there, there's eggs. Sorry, this is shaky. I'm trying to... Oh, that's so exciting. Okay, we're going to have baby birds in the barn. Sweet little baby birds. Oh, Mama's coming back. She's right there. Better go.